You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough.
Hello lovely, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Chelsea. So I will be revealing this U-part wig from UNice hair. If you want to see how I achieve this look, how I install this wig, keep on watching. And please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, don't hesitate to subscribe and click on that bell icon. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. And I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye. Thank you UNice hair for sponsoring this video. Now let's talk about the hair. The hair came inside this cute bag, and that is the hair. Also, they put some straps as a gift. It's written Brazilian, and that is the hair. Also, there was a wig cap that was added to it. I forgot to show that to you guys, and that is the hair. How gorgeous is the hair? So the hair is U-part wig, Brazilian hair, kiki straight, natural color, 100% human hair, 150 density, 24 inches. And you can see it came with some clips, adjustable straps. The hair doesn't have any smell, it doesn't shed, and it's so soft. To start with, you have to remove the elastic. You just cut the elastic from it. Then that is it. You see the way it's wide open with those clips clip in. It has about 4 clips in, 3 in the front and 2 in the front, 1 in the middle and 1 at the back. So first thing, I pack my hair, so I want to unloose my hair. This hair is very easy for you to install. You guys should pardon my hair. I'm trying to regrow my edges. My edges are damaged, so if you have the kind of my hair, installing this hair wouldn't be a problem, because this hair you can install it no matter the kind of hair you have. You can install this hair without problem. You can see the front of my hair that they are damaged. If you have the kind of my front hair, I think this style I want to put it by the side. You guys will see this is for you, because this wig is very easy to install. It's easy application. This is for black women. It blends perfectly with your own hair. I just did a kind of a U. You guys can see what I did. You don't need much to install this hair. You can install this hair under 5 minutes. You don't even need to go to the salon to install this hair. You do this on your own at home. Even if you're the type that don't know much about hair installation, you can install this. I pack my hair to the back.
It is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight.
You see, that's it.
'Cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted. No, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give it to you, give into your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted.
pop those clips in, you pop them open.
Your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted. No, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give it to you.
Then you clip it to your hair. You start from the back, you pop the clips open, then you just clip it down. You do same thing to the rest.
Yet tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire.
Then I just open my party, comb it on top, and that is it. You guys see, this is very, 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 very easy. Very easy to do. So fortunate I don't have good hair to wear this wig, but at least I slayed the hair. I added some gel just to lay my baby hairs, to hide the fact that my hair is damaged. So that is it. With this, you don't know that I have damaged edges. You can see I just slay that, and that is it. It's very, very easy, guys. This is the easiest wig installation. If you don't know how to even install wig, at least you can do this. It's very, very simple. You don't even need to go to the salon. With this U-part wig, is very, very, very easy. You can do it yourself at home. I added some mousse to it just to flatten my hair. I make sure my pin is well clipped down to my hair. I added to the hair as well.
We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yet tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer.
You can see the way I'm finger combing the hair. The hair is very soft. This is real kinky human hair.
I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer.
So I use my hot comb. Guys, when I started, this thing is so hot. It was so hot initially. When I just put it on the hair, on my hair, the thing touches my scalp. That was why I popped up.
Eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous.
So I coil the hair, but even if you don't coil it, you can leave it this way. You can straighten it as you want. You can coil it as well. And this hair, you can use it for any style, any hairstyle you want. Anyhow you want to style this hair, you can style your U-part wig in whichever way you want to style it. You can see, and that is it. You guys see, it's very, very, very easy. Very, very easy. And this hair is fabulous. This hair is so good. I like the texture of the hair so much, and it's long. This is 24 inches. It's very, very long. Initially when I received it, I said this is 24. It looks very, very, very long for 24 inches. And that is it. That is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to leave every details about this wig on the description box. If you're interested, you check that out, and I will see if there's any discount code, which I don't think so, but if there is any, I will leave it on the description box, and all the informations about the hair. If you want to get the hair, I assure you this is 100% Brazilian hair. And don't forget, the color of the hair is natural black. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you U-nice Hair for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate. I will see you guys. Love you guys as always. Bye. Bye.
Burn it up, 'cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yet tonight we lose it all.